занакака вида автови қироқ тавидесай ман гилак омада қафон ба ҷо кадагим. Hello. How are you?
Wonderful.
Good?
Yeah.
Ma.
Oh, please.
Iglo. Свежи бдана мурдан. Ma bo.
Oh.
Bo.
You,
Awa.
my middle name is Rose. And old study Bible I had. Rose is a species of tulip. Woman study Bible.
What's your name?
Bonnie.
Bonnie?
But my middle name is Rose. And Rose is a physical species of tulip in the Bible.
Have a good day. How old are you?
46.
46? Have a good day. I love you. Bye bye. You from Minnesota?
Huh?
You from here?
Yeah. I have a question. Can you get some water, please?
Oh, have a good day.
Okay, thank you.
دل مسوزم خیلی آدمایی که مقصد استغفرالله کمپیره کیف کرد یا منجا گلش دادم راد نو بفروش آخه گلوله تو کار کرد